Hey guys, this is Mark with Untitled, and in this video we are going to be checking out Dissembler. This is a brand new game that just launched for iOS, and it's also available on Steam. And this is a really fun and calm puzzle game where you just have to match colors. So I've been playing this game for only a couple of days, but I made it pretty far in the game, and I must say this is a really awesome app. I love the way that it works. And the idea behind this of being just a simple puzzle game that's calm and there's no really time limit or score is just something that I absolutely love. So the way this works is all you have to do is just match colors. You have to match at least 3 or more of the same colors together and clear every single square off of the screen. It's a little bit of a puzzle game because you have to make sure that you do remove all of the pieces. And if you do not do them in the correct order, there will be pieces left over and you cannot get them to combine, or there may only be 2 of a certain color and you need at least 3. So there's a little bit of strategy involved, but it's just a really fun and simple puzzle game. Later on, as you move through the different levels, you will unlock certain abilities such as matching not only colors but also shapes. And there's also, even later on, puzzles where you have to remove an outer color to get access to the inner color, and you can then keep going on and on until you clear out the board. It's a really fun game. I'm addicted to it, and it's just a really nice and calm game to play. Like I said, there's no time limit, so you're not trying to rush, and you can work on each puzzle as long as you want. There's no points that you get. It's just completing it. And that's pretty much it. And what's really nice is that because there are multiple combinations to get your final puzzle completed, there's a back button at the bottom which will allow you to easily go back to a previous move that you did. You can undo your last move, and that's basically what the button does, is it allows you to undo your moves and you can go back to a point where it was working right for you. So you don't have to completely restart the game. You can undo the moves. And it's just something that I really like about it, and not something I've really seen in other apps that are similar. Now, if you do want to restart the game, you do actually have to click the undo button all the way until you get back to the beginning. I wish there was a restart button. This is a little minor thing. Maybe something could be added in a future version, but the undo button is a really nice feature. On top of the puzzles, they also do have daily challenges. So if you want to do those things, you can also do that as well. They also do have an infinite mode where you can remove the outer color and reveal the inner, and it's just going to do that forever. So if you want something that's even more easy and calm, you can do the infinite mode, but the puzzles themselves are not really that hard. They do take a little bit of work at once you get to higher levels, but it's not that bad. It's fairly easy, and it's just a nice relaxing game. On top of the wonderful graphics, they also do have some pretty nice sounds, and the music is pretty good as well. So overall, I'm a huge fan of this game. I really do like this, and if you want to check it out, I'll drop a link to it down below in the description. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with Untitled, and I'll see you in the next one.